All right, let's get into how to do the GI map test. You've got the kit, it comes with everything you need, and we're going to explain what you need to do with this. So you're going to get these gloves, fancy gloves, you're going to put them on, you're going to collect your poop sample in this, you're going to catch it, okay? So you got your gloves to catch, you got to catch the poop in this, and you're going to end up putting it in this vial right here. So what you're going to do is collect the poop, set it down. This vial right here, you have to put your name, date, and time that you collected it. And then this red line right here, you're going to end up filling the vial, keeping the liquid in there, put different parts of your poop in there. So you unscrew this, there's a little spoon. You're going to end up taking your poop here and take different parts, different samples of the poop you got. And you're going to scoop it into here, making sure to fill this liquid above this red line right here. You're going to put it in there. You're going to shake it vigorously for 30 seconds. Now, make sure you put your name, date, time on there. You're also going to get a sheet of paper here that's the requisition form. You're going to make sure to put your important information, your name, your date, the date sample was collected, email address, etc. The GI map here is checked off, and this is going to go into the box for shipping. This, of course, you can throw away dump the leftover poop. Do whatever you want with it. Take these gloves off. Throw those away. You don't need to send those with your kit. You're going to take your vigorously shaken sample with the important information filled out. You're going to put it in the bag, seal it up. So you'll have your requisition form, and you'll have your sample in here in the sealed bag. You'll close that up. You're going to get this FedEx shipping bag, and you're going to end up putting it, the whole thing, into the shipping kit. Keeps it safe. You're going to seal it up. It's going to have a prepaid label on it that's going to go direct to the lab. And you've got a couple options for shipping. You can just go to your local FedEx spot and drop it off in person, or on this cheat sheet instructions thing on here, it will say you can call FedEx to schedule a free pickup, have it come to your office, have it come to your house, and just walk through the prompts to schedule that. One last bit of information is you want to get this to the lab as soon as possible. It says within 6 days. If you're not able to get it out to the lab when you took the sample right away, just put the plastic bag and the sample in the refrigerator and try and get it out within the next 3 days for sure. Next 1 to 2 days would be ideal. If you try to ship it on a Monday, that's even better. It'll give it time to get to the lab. If you ship it on Saturday or Friday, it just might sit unrefrigerated until they get it. So just always like to try and ship it out earlier in the week rather than later in the week. So I hope this video was helpful for you to know how to do your GI map. If you have any questions, let me know.